Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two robot vacuums with mopping capabilities. In one corner, we have the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum, and in the other corner, we have the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum is priced at $1,299, while the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is priced at $729. It's clear that the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo offers a more budget-friendly option. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra boasts an impressive 5,500 Pascal hyperforce suction, ensuring a deep clean on both floors and carpets. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo offers a respectable 1,400 Pascal suction power. While it may not match the power of the Roborock, it still does a great job of picking up dust and debris. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra features reactive tech obstacle avoidance, which detects and avoids objects on the floor, making your cleaning experience hassle-free. Additionally, it can suggest no-go zones automatically, preventing your robot vacuum from getting stuck in tight spots or falling down the stairs accidentally. The Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo also offers intelligent obstacle avoidance, with advanced 3D precise sensors that can identify and avoid walls, stairs, and other obstacles. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra comes equipped with Roborock mopping system, which removes dried stains 30% more effectively than traditional robot mops. It uses sonic scrubbing at 3,000 times per minute, combined with consistently high downward pressure, leaving behind less dirt than spinning mops. The Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo also offers a 2-in-1 mopping function with a 230 ml electric control water tank, suitable for all hard floors. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra offers a runtime of approximately 100 minutes and features auto mop lifting, allowing it to vacuum carpets and mop floors simultaneously by automatically lifting and lowering the mop as needed. The Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo also provides a runtime of 100 minutes and will automatically return to the charging base when in low battery or finished cleaning. The Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zig-Zag. These modes can be easily switched through the remote control or the accompanying app, providing flexibility to meet different cleaning needs. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra offers various cleaning modes as well, ensuring a thorough clean in every corner of your home. Based on online reviews, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum is highly recommended for its base unit, obstacle avoidance, and vacuum control. Reviewers also mention that it effectively removes dried stains with its Roborock mopping system. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is praised for its affordability, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and versatility in cleaning modes. Reviewers find it easy to operate and effective at cleaning up dirt and debris. Overall, both products have their strengths and are suitable for different budgets and cleaning needs. And there you have it. We've compared the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum and the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo in several categories. It's essential to consider your specific requirements before making a decision. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information on these products. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.